Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install Google Photos in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab. Click on this plus button. New tab is open. In new tab, here we find Google Apps. Click on this Google Apps option. Scroll down and here we find Photos. Find Photos and click on the Photos. In a few seconds, Google Photos is open and we want to install it. Here we find our all photos from our Google Photos and I want to install it. That is very easy. Go to here. Here we find at the top in Google Chrome, we find three dots. Click on these three dots. In these three dots, scroll down in settings, scroll down and here we find save and share. Save and share. Go to the save and share. In save and share, we find install Google Photos. Click on install Google Photos. Here we find install or not. I want to install, so I click on install. Close our Google Chrome or minimize it. Here we find one app, close it. On desktop we find Google Photos shortcut. Also in our taskbar we find Google Photos. On start in app list also we find Google Photos. We can open it from anywhere. I open it from the desktop, double click on it. And in few seconds our Google Photos is open. This is the simplest way to install Google Photos in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.